Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Now, I don't know about you, but I love free money. I love free crypto and I love free tokens. And every time I've received an airdrop, I feel like it's a win-win because it's free, pretty much. Because when we use DeFi and when we use crypto, oftentimes you will be qualified for free airdrops. Now, there are some airdrop farmers who they literally do this all day. They look for potential airdrops. You can go on airdrops.io or follow certain Twitter pages and interact with the protocols just for the airdrops. But I find that a lot of the projects we're in the UIG, or just a lot of the projects that interest me, I get airdrops because I've just been using them, right? You've transacted on a DEX or you staked some coin or some token. And so really big airdrop that you may be qualified for is the Helix. Now, what is Helix? Helix is a DEX built on Injective. So if you have interacted on that DEX, if you've joined some liquidity pools, if you've bought, sold, swap, of course, there are certain criteria you need to hit. In this instance, it's actually staking. But the point is that by exploring new blockchains or new protocols or new DEXs, as you can see, Injective, $75 million locked on this chain, and Helix is the biggest DEX on the Injective chain. So if you jump into Helix, actually we'll just jump on their Twitter, the Pyth Genesis airdrop is now available. You can go to helixapp.com/airdrop to see if you're qualified for the Pyth airdrop. Pyth, Injective, that's something we've been talking about in the UIG for quite a while. So chances are if in their UIG you interacted with this in some way, shape, or form, or maybe you're on this YouTube channel and you're like, oh wait, I did interact with that. Double, triple check. Go on in, connect your wallet, and it will tell you if you're qualified for it or not. It'll look much like this, helix.com/airdrop. You can connect your wallet, see if you're qualified for it. Now, you can go to airdrops.io and you can check out what are the most latest airdrops. And as you can see, Aptos, you can go hot airdrops, have a look at what's hot, or you can go to potential airdrops. Now, this isn't the easiest way to find airdrops, by the way, because you will spend a lot of time browsing through it. But if you're curious in how do you get free crypto, you can have a look through airdrops.io. I recommend constantly searching for it on Twitter, following certain accounts that literally all they do is airdrops. And also by doing that, you can find new projects or protocols that you explore. By exploring, you're actually getting better at the DeFi game. And by actually interacting with DeFi, you can get free money. And I see it as just a bonus. I don't, airdrop farm full-time trying to get this stuff. But every time I get it, I'm just like, this is as free as it gets because I was using it anyways. And to me, it's a massive win-win. And I know some people don't even know they're eligible for some airdrops. So please triple check Helix, the biggest DEX built on Injective, and see if you're qualified for it. You may just find that you got some free money coming to you. You can go claim it. So I hope that helps. I'm going to move my mug in the middle. I'll leave some other videos for your viewing pleasures. Like and subscribe, you know the drill, and study up. We almost release 2 videos per day right now, 10, 12 to 14 videos every single week. Stay up to date with this stuff. The videos, we try to keep them under 10 minutes so you can get in, get out quick, and you may be surprised on some of the alpha or some of the information you receive, and you just stay plugged in. So stay plugged in, check out some other videos, and with that said, I'm going to get out of here. Peace.